Hello guys, welcome to the good one. My name is Bhavish Shah and today we are going to check out the OnePlus 3. So before we start, I'd like to tell you the box is empty. So let's get started.
The OnePlus One was a surprise hit when it was first announced, thanks to the powerful specs and the affordable price point. The OnePlus 3 was a great smartphone, but it suffered from the necessary limitations that had to be taken to meet its price point. Though OnePlus lived up to its never settling mantra, it wasn't actually a 2016 flagship killer. Then came the OnePlus X, which was a great phone in the budget segment, which was both stylish and compact than its competitors at that time. And now we have the OnePlus 3, and does it have all it takes to succeed? Continue watching the video to find out. Opening the box will reveal the OnePlus 3 inside a protective plastic wrap with some printed details about the phone. Then we have a quick user guide and a SIM ejector tool. Deeper inside we have the new dash charger and the USB Type-C for charging and syncing the phone with your PC or Mac. The dash charger is an interesting new addition. It's a powerful 20-volt wall charger that is protected against overheating and provides 63% of charge in just half an hour. After the unboxing, let's clear up the specs of the phone. So the OnePlus 3 is powered by the Snapdragon 820 chipset and comes with an enormous 6GB of RAM and a 64GB of internal storage. It has a dual SIM 4G connectivity which supports both FDD band 3 and TDD band 40. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2 and NFC are also included. The phone is powered by a 3000 mAh non-removable battery and is the company's first device to feature some kind of a fast charging technology, which I mentioned before. On the software front, the OnePlus 3 is powered by a Oxygen OS 3.2.1 based on the Android 6.0.1. The Oxygen OS is visually and functionally very similar to the stock Android Marshmallow with a few additional features. Despite not being quite as light as stock Android, it still retains the same level of ease and snappiness across the system. Additions come in the form of customization options, while most of the Marshmallow's standout features have been maintained. Oxygen OS also lets you quickly unlock the bootloader, which will then allow you to root your phone or flash a new firmware if you choose to. Similar to all the OnePlus phones, the design of OnePlus 3 impressed me. The OnePlus 3 has implemented a big change that makes all the difference in lending an air of quality to the phone. The plastic rear panel with sandstone finishing is finally gone. Though many loved it, it has been replaced by a cold, hard aluminium back. Furthermore, it's a unibody with a dull metallic finish. It reminds me a little bit of the HTC One M9, thanks to its antenna lines and bulging rear camera. It's beautiful, well built, and finally brings the OnePlus into the big leagues of design. Front on the OnePlus 3 isn't anything special. It's relatively standard black slab coated in a Gorilla Glass 4, with the main feature being the indented fingerprint scanner and the capacitive buttons below the display. The fingerprint scanner is pretty fast and has a clock speed of 0.3 seconds. The OnePlus 3 has a 5.5-inch 1080p optic AMOLED display with a curved Gorilla Glass 4 protection. On the left side of the 7.35mm thick smartphone are the volume rockers and the notification slider. The notification slider has 3 positions: all notifications, priority notifications and no notifications, which enable you to adjust the settings without waking up the screen. Then we have the power button and the dual SIM tray on the right side, and the speaker, USB Type-C port and the 3.5mm socket at the bottom. All the buttons are well positioned, and as long as your hands are big enough to grapple the OnePlus 3, you will be able to hit them without issue when using the phone one-handed. Now let's talk about the camera. The camera on the OnePlus 3 is a huge improvement over the previous generation. The 16MP Sony IMX298 sensor primary camera delivers a good picture quality and features a optical image stabilization, face detection, autofocus and raw image format support. The image quality is much better than what you may find on the previous generations. The camera also has a manual mode for all the customizations you may need while doing professional photography. On the video side, you can shoot 4K videos and slow motion videos at 120fps. This is pretty much standard on flagship phones these days. The secondary camera is an 8 megapixel shooter with a f2.0 aperture, which is capable of shooting 1080p videos with ease. The most interesting part of the OnePlus 3 is that it's available for sale without an invite from the manufacturer and Amazon for around $300. For the exact pricing, check out the links in the description. For the price it is provided, you will get a 64GB internal storage, but unfortunately, that's all you get thanks to the lack of micro SD card slot. Overall, the OnePlus 3 is a phenomenal achievement. It matches many market-leading smartphones in every conceivable way, be it solid battery life, fast reliable fingerprint sensor, good camera, high definition display, aluminium unibody, and everything else. Those looking for a smartphone with a super cool hardware and software, budget Android smartphone with the design and features of a flagship device should look no further.